Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 1/2 to a decimal. To convert the fraction 1/2 to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. So, we simply divide 1 by 2. The answer we get is 0.5. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 1 as the dividend and 2 as the divisor. Since 2 doesn't fit into 1, we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 1, making it 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? Exactly 5 times. We write 5 after the decimal point in the quotient. Multiplying 5 by 2 gives us 10. When we subtract 10 from 10, we get a remainder of 0. So, there we have it. The fraction 1/2 converted to a decimal is 0.5. This conversion process demonstrates a simple way to understand and represent fractions in decimal form. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.